Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So in this video I'm going to evaluate this integral problem. So let's evaluate this one. So this is 0 to 90, 1 over 1 plus, I know that tan is a sine over cos, right? Sine x cos x. This is root 2 dx. 0 to 90. Now I'm going to multiply both up and down by cos root x, right? I'm going to multiply both up and down by this term, so this becomes cos root 2x over cos root 2x plus sine root 2x, right? This is dx. Let's name this as I. So this is my first equation. Okay, so similarly I'm going to take 0 to 90. This is I, right? This is I. Cos root 2x over cos root 2x plus sine root 2x, right? Let's say x is equals to 90 minus theta, so dx is what? This is minus d theta. The limits are 0 to 90, right? When x is equals to 0, theta becomes what? 90 minus 0, this is 90. When x becomes 90, theta becomes 90 minus 90, this is 0. So the limits becomes 0. When x is 0, theta becomes 90. When x is 90, theta becomes 0. So cos root 2x, x is 90 minus theta, cos root 2 90 minus theta times dx is equals to minus d theta over cos root 2 90 minus theta plus sine root 2 90 minus theta, right? Okay, so I know sine 90 minus theta is equals to cos theta, right? Similarly, cos 90 minus theta becomes sine theta. And also, if there is a limit like fx dx, I can switch the limits b to a. This is a to b fx dx. When I switch the limits, there should be a negative sign, right? So I am going to use this one here also, right? So since there is a negative sign, I am going to multiply it by the limits. So the limits becomes 0 to 90. Then this negative sign cancels out, right? So and cos 90 minus theta becomes sine theta, right? Sine root 2 theta over sine root 2 theta plus this is cos root 2 theta d theta. Since this is a definite integral, the value of the integral doesn't depend on the variable, right? So I can write this as 0 to 90 sine root 2 x over sine root 2x plus cos root 2x dx, right? Because the value of this integral is just a constant, so that doesn't, so the answer of the integral doesn't depend on the variable. So this is my second equation, right? So now I have two equations. This is my first equation and this is my second equation. Now I am going to do is just add them together. So I plus I is equals to 0 to 90. This is cos root 2x or cos root 2x plus 8. So cos root 2x over cos root 2x plus sine root 2x dx plus 0 to 90 sine root 2x over sine root 2x plus cos root 2x dx. I plus I is 2I, so this becomes 0 to 90 cos root 2x over sine root 2x plus cos root 2x plus sine root 2x over sine root 2x plus cos root 2x, right? Dx. Now I can simplify this as 0 to 90 sine root 2x plus cos root 2x over sine root 2x plus cos root 2x dx, right? These cancel out, so this is 0 to 91 dx, right? The answer is 0 to, sorry, when I integrate 1, so I get x, right? The limits are 0 to 90, then I can plug the limits. 90 minus 0, this is 90, right? So this is 2I, so I becomes 5 over 4, right? The answer for the integral that they gave is this, so the answer should be 5 over 4, right? So this is 0 to 90, 1 over 1 plus tan root 2x dx is equals to 5 over 4. So thank you for watching this video. If you have any questions, please comment below.